These are the Legacy Extra Large Studded Leather Saddlebags from Viking Bags that I'm installing on my 21 Heritage Classic. First impression, I really like the look. They're structured and reinforced so they hold their shape well. These are hard mount bags, so drilling is required, but they do have turn signal cutouts, so no relocation of your signals is needed. You've got a snap closure on the side and multiple snap closures across the front, which help secure the bag. And I think it adds to that classic style. Storage is solid with plenty of room and an inside pocket. And the bags lock with 2 keys included. Overall, from a design standpoint, they fit the Heritage really well and add that classic Softail style. Viking calls this a medium difficulty install. I'd say that depends on who you ask. For me, I'm still learning all of this. It took some patience and some time. Okay, a lot of time, but this is a condensed version. This ended up being a 2-day install, a few hours to get started, then finishing it up the next day. And getting everything laid out in position took a little time, especially since I wanted to be careful with placement from the start. I am running Vance & Hines slip-ons. Getting the exhaust side bag positioned correctly was a big part of the install. And because these are hard mount bags, drilling is part of the process. Let's just say that beginner confidence and a drill are a humbling combination. I did manage to drill one hole a little off, so some silicone is going to be introduced later. And doing this solo definitely added a level of difficulty. This is where an extra set of hands would have been helpful, but I did manage to get it up onto the frame and bolt everything down. Once mounted, the first bag looked like it was sitting where it needed to be, and I felt that the clearance off the exhaust looked good. From there, I positioned the second bag, and that, of course, went a lot smoother once everything started to make sense. With both bags mounted, everything lined up evenly from the rear, and overall, it gave the bike a much more finished look. Even just seeing both bags on the bike rolling by, the setup really works visually. Naturally, the next step, of course, is going to be taking them out for a test ride. I wanted to see on the road if they felt stable, no shifting and no movement. And they performed well. No issues with clearance, nothing rubbing or bouncing, but one thing I did notice is that the snap closure flap can come off the hardware piece. At first, it didn't seem like it really locked into place, and I had it come loose a few times, and then I realized, oh, there's a twist closure, so that one might be on me. Overall, these have a good fit, solid feel, and I love the way they look on my bike. Highly recommend these bags.